Muchachos, good morning. We all the way in New Mexico. We were supposed to be in Arizona like 3 days ago. Guys, truck breaking down. We just switched this truck out. It's breaking down again, leaking coolant. This truck has got like 48,000 miles, leaking coolant on the bottom. Guys, we're gonna go to the shop right now. I guess all my content's gonna be about fixing 2026 trucks. I mean, guys, stay tuned. I'm sorry if this is too boring for you guys, that you want to see actual like car hauling, picking up cars from customers and stuff. By the way, these customers about this cars called me so many times. They're waiting for Muchacho to deliver them on time, but I'm sorry, it could not happen. This car's been on this trailer for so long that I think they glued to the trailer. You can't get him off now. It's all a joke, guys. I don't know, I am sick and tired of this trucks and stuff. Let's go to the shop. Guys, you new, subscribe now. Pulling up to a shop now. There's a 9 car hauler here too. Let's see what they're gonna say, what needs fixed, if they can fix me today or not. I don't know. We're waiting at the shop for the guy to come out and look at the coolant leak. I don't know how long we're gonna have to wait, but it's leaking pretty bad. I cannot drive like this. There's one right here too. Do you want to take a picture? Okay, thank you. Yeah,
that's dumb.
2026.
And it's not gonna work. The vibration's gonna ruin that old.
Yeah.
You need to have a clamp like you all
It's
have.
got 48,000 miles.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's gonna be a problem. They'll change that watch. They'll have to.
Yeah.
Why are they gonna, every truck
There is a
out?
bunch of recalls on this. They're not gonna make this ones anymore.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Muchachos, so mechanics could not fix it because the part is not available in United States to fix it. So you're supposed to wait until it's gonna be available in United States. Anyways, we're gonna fix ourselves. I'm not a mechanic, but don't judge me. It's gonna be fixed. Tools we're gonna need for this job: flex tape, red high temp sealant, zip ties, duct tape, and we need this too, so we can wipe off all the stuff. Stay tuned, let's see if we get it fixed. Oh yeah, by the way, we are in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Holy shit, guys, there is so much coolant underneath here. And you can see where it's leaking from. I guess let's try to fix ourselves. First, let's wipe off all the coolant. Muchachos, we still here at the shop waiting for a part to be delivered from Spokane, Washington. Guys, the whole United States, they said, did not have this part, only Spokane, Washington. The part should arrive here overnight, and this shop that we went supposed to fix it. I don't know, I tried to fix it yesterday, I rednecked some stuff and it did not fix. Right there it's telling me that low coolant, but I have been watching temperature. It doesn't go past like, oh, it's 200 right now, but I'm watching temperature because I have to charge up my APU because it will be really hot in here.
One winner later.
Fellas, good news. The part has been delivered to this shop. We unhooking the trailer now and pulling into the shop.
It's nothing what's wrong.
Oh, how they made it?
They made this. This is the old boot style.
Yeah, yeah.
2020.
Yeah.
2022. Now they made a longer one.
Oh, I
So I have
see.
to let my boss know because Volvo, they're calling all the time for the Volvo boots.
Yeah.
If somebody calls, we're only gonna have this one.
I see.
So that's what I was letting them know.
So there is a bunch of red sealants I had to put on to get here.
Yeah.
They'll have to be cleaned off and shit.
Yeah, we'll get the water hose and spray it off.
Sounds good. Have you all had truck like this here? Yeah.
I'll call you so I want to check that out.
He's trying to drain all the coolant that's left in it. Anyways, this is how much is left. So good news, I think the truck is fixed. I don't see any leaks from underneath. This guy said that he is professional. He's been doing this more than I've been alive. And that's probably most likely that's the truth. 12 gallons of coolant. Guys, all of this. 12 gallons fit in there of coolant. Can you imagine? I don't see any leaks. Alright guys, so we at the shop. The truck is actually fixed. We did test it for leaks. It's not leaking. The tire was also fixed. It was leaking air too. Anyways, guys, if you don't care, leave this guy some reviews on Google. Here, he can tell you more about the shop. And
Hey guys, this is Dante here from Big Rig Truck Service. It's a family operated business. My grandfather's owned it for 50 years, and my grandmother. And it's if you ever need any types of repairs, brakes, coolant leaks, fuel filters, any type of minor repairs, you need some welding done or whatever, come by, check us out, and we'll hook you guys up.
yeah, I'm gonna leave their website here, their Google, and then you guys can leave a review too. Thank you. Passing little town still in New Mexico. Guys, I just so impressed with New Mexico, like small towns. It's like old desert west old towns. Like it's so neat. Passing an inspection station. It's a border patrol station on I-10. there is a police officer right there, and we actually slowed down to 47 miles per hour, and he had his spikes out for some reason, probably trying to catch someone. I don't know. Oh yeah, he's pulling out now. Let's turn the flashers on. Yeah, he's about to pass. He had his spikes out. Oh, he pulled in. I don't know if you guys can see it. He pulled into the middle. He's gonna go the other way. So yeah, they're probably trying to catch someone. Early in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, and already somebody running away from the police. So here's the news. We unloaded this Defender. We actually rolled it down on a neutral because it's out of gas. It was starting, actually it was not starting. It took a minute to start whatever, but this Defender is about to be dropped off. Guy who receives this this car went to go get more diesel so we can put it in, so he can at least get it somewhere so we don't have to push bunch.
Sorry about this.
No, it's all right.
I don't know why you sent somebody a car with no gas.
I couldn't get this open. I don't know which key. I've tried every key, but
Really?
yeah, you probably don't know too, but
Yeah, I'll try them, but that ain't gonna do me shit either. We tried the big one, right?
Nope.
No.
this let me see, this two are the only ones that actually fit,
They
but
fit?
yeah.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Fucking call them. I don't.
Maybe over there.
Where's the cup holder?
Oh, right here.
Oh, okay. Side is loose. Does that like pop in and clip in somehow? Yeah. Oh, it's not just loose. It's like completely, totally like off. Okay.
2,000 years later.
That was already there.
No, it's him. It's not you.
It's for him, okay.
Yeah. What did you see scratch wise?
I have a bunch of pictures I took when I picked it up, but there was a one on that side by the door. I can show you after this. It was right here.
Down there?
Yeah.
Those, yeah.
Super. Do you have a jumper? Or no? I have cables. All right, we're pulling up to our delivery. It's somewhere right here, 3601, somewhere right here. All right, what time is it? 1:51. We have to get this done in like 5 minutes. It's 110 degrees. 5 minutes, let's go. I can't believe they're having me do this in 110-degree weather. Customer waited for this car whole week because truck broke down. The seat's so hot. The seats are so hot. Let's take some pictures and we'll be out of here. Odometer, that's it. Let's give him the key. Nobody's answering. I guess let's go put this back up so it's ready to go. Fellas, customer waited for this car for like a whole week because the truck broke down. I feel so bad. They're supposed to pay $1,100 in cash. I don't know, let's go see. It's 110 degrees. Let's get out of here.
Hello.
Kevin, I'm here. I dropped off the car.
Okay, I'm about 5 minutes away.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, it's a little bit.
I guess he's 5 minutes away. Hopefully he's bringing cash. Cause why? Comment below why. Cause I think cash is the best payment you can receive. High tire pressure. Let's go check them. Cause in this heat they can pop. We don't want that. Let's go check them. All right, first one. Oh my. Let's get some air out. All right, that side is a 105. Let's check this one's. Oh my. Yeah. Here's the key. How you paying?
On cash.
Okay.
Yeah, on cash.
Okay. So he paid us, guys. We had to discount him $50. He did ask for $100, but I negotiated to $50 discount for being 4 days late, or 5 days late. So it's all right. Sometimes you have to do that stuff. Muchacho can't, you know.
2 hours later.
All right, so we're dropping off this, I believe, stolen car. I do want to record. I don't know if it's actually stolen or not, but the VIN number is missing everywhere, even on a windshield. I don't know if you guys can hear that. All right, let's see location.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm here now.
Okay, I'm walking out.
All right, thank you.
Huh?
you're gonna pull in there? My bad, took too long.
good.
Truck broke down.
Hey, it happens, man.
All right, keys inside in the cup holder.
Keys, okay.
If you want to check it out, make sure everything looks good. The suspension's definitely messed up.
Is it?
Yeah, you can hear a front, something in the front right here.
Yeah, yeah, I can tell like right here.
No, something like you'll hear it when you start
When I
driving.
start driving it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start now.
Yeah. So I
Do you need to
just
sign anything?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
yeah, just that's all. Have a good
Awesome,
one.
man. Thank you. I appreciate it.
So the car delivered. I don't know. They seemed like fine. I don't think it's stolen. I don't know. Guys, comment below. What do you think? This car is stolen or not? It was kind of suspicious. Anyways, we got 2 more cars. That truck and Kia that doesn't start, and I hope my jumper charges up before we get there. Stay tuned.
3 hours later.
All right, we're here at the delivery of this piece of shit. It won't start, so we're gonna have to jump it. All right, let's see. I don't think it's gonna start, but let's try it. Let's try it. I don't think so. Yeah, we're gonna have to jump it. Through things. Ow. All right, we in here. I think this one is it, and this one's it. Oh yeah, it's gonna start now. It should. Oh yeah. Let's shut the hood. Take the... Oh shit. Alright, let's unload this one. Good thing that it starts, because in this heat I don't want to mess with this car more than I have to. Professional muchacho can block. Get this fucking car out of here. 2323. All right, let's park it right here. Let's take some pictures. Start delivery. Come on, guys. 116 degrees in here. How's it go? You work here? I'm delivering this car. I have it started because if you can move, you know, you have to move it somewhere because you have to jump it. It drives, yeah. How's it going? I have it started so you can move or whatever, but it does need jump. Yeah.
How much?
1,000. Thank you.
6,000?
1,000, yeah. All right, the car delivered. They paid Zelle. $1,000 was to deliver that car from Copart all the way to Arizona. I don't think it was bad. We got one more truck to deliver, and that's it. And we have a pickup from here too. truck delivered. He didn't even look at it, just walked around for a minute and signed it, that's it. Guys, finally, this load delivered. Took almost whole week to get from New Jersey to Phoenix, Arizona. That's crazy. Guys, muchacho transportation sometimes make mistakes. Even though it's not my fault, I still have to call customer and explain them what happened. Guys, stay tuned. If you're new, subscribe to the channel.